Hi guys, I'm going to try to finish this. It's a different day, as you can tell, a different location. But what we started doing was working on using that random number table to determine the probability to create a simulation of getting a girl within 4 children. And where we left off, I was saying how we draw the lines in there as soon as you get a girl. So you could see it took us 3 tries, boy, boy, girl. And so then I labeled it, yes, there's the girl. Go all the way across until the very end, and you'll see the very last thing was boy, 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 boy. And we did not get a girl out of 4 children in that part of the simulation. So what we say here is then 13 out of 14 repetitions, a girl was born. So the probability is a 93% chance. I've got all this stuff in the way here, sorry. That you'd have a girl within 4 children. Okay? So let's go to the next slide. We're almost there. I have showed you before how to do this random number generator on your calculator. So you go to the math button, probability 5 is random integer. So remember that that first thing here, if I get this highlighted for you, that is get a number from 0 to 9 using those digits and give me 5 of them. Okay. Random int 167 is interesting because that's 1 to 6, but that simulates rolling a die. If you need to roll a die, you can actually do that on your calculator, which is kind of fun. Roll a die 7 times. Random integers 0 to 99 will give you 10 2-digit numbers from your 00 to 99. Okay. I just put here in the notes for 15 and 16 on your homework. You will see that you're going to need to run, it's like about dates of the year for birthdays, I believe it is. You're going to roll 1 to 365 for the days of the year, and they need 23 random numbers. And it's okay if there's repeats. So then what you do is you go to say, store this into list 1. And then if you use this same command, your colon, sort ascending order. So that will put your numbers into L1 and put them in order, which will be very important. I just put here that colon button is found at alpha period. So find that if you use the alpha command and then the period command. And sort A is found under list, ops, and then option 1 is sort ascending. Okay? And then for number 16 on your homework, hint, use the random integer, go 0 to 999 for 1,000 digits, and you'll get 20 of them. But write down the numbers and then circle the ones that fit your criteria. Okay? So you can go back to these notes and check that. All right, let's go on to the last slide. You also will need to know how to do some inequalities in your calculator. And so if you go to test, which is second math, the inequalities are listed there. For example, greater than is option 3. And then to sum a list, you go to the list command, start there, that's second stats list, go to the math within lists, option 5 is sum, and then you can enter a list number, like tell it to sum list 1, and it'll add up all the numbers in list 1. So these are some calculator commands that will help you. Good luck with the homework tonight. I've got 4 more videos for you tomorrow to watch, and I'll be back Friday.